Welcome to Tahiti. So we are in Tahiti for the next 2 weeks, and if you're wondering, where is Tahiti? Well, imagine going all the way out to Hawaii, then all the way down to New Zealand. Yeah, it's basically in the middle of nowhere. And we're here to do one specific thing, and that is to dive with whales. It's a trip we've been planning for the last 3 years, and I think it's gonna be epic. Alright guys, welcome to French Polynesia. I think this week is going to be incredible. But first, let me catch you up to speed. For the next week, we are staying on one of the islands here in French Polynesia, and when we arrived yesterday, it was pouring rain. But even with the bad weather, we were so excited because the island looked incredible. Yeah, there it is. That's the island. First little look at it, and also as you can see, blue skies. The weather is much better today. So our first day here, we want to get out and get on the water. So we've decided to book a boat tour and go have some fun. Let's see if the girls fall off here. High probability.
You hold the coco. When you go down, you say, coco. 1, 2, 3. Warrior? Stay like that, no. Ho, ho, ho.
How do you feel?
Good morning guys, it is 6 in the morning and today's the day. It's the day we flew all the way to Tahiti. It was our first day diving with whales and it looks like it's gonna be a gorgeous day. But as a disclaimer, nothing's guaranteed. We might see something amazing or we might see nothing. We don't really know. Yes! This is what we had waited for. We spent the next 5 hours learning about the animals, the island, conservation, and went looking for any signs of whales. And we looked, and looked, and looked.
3 hours later.
All right, so we were a little bit unlucky. We saw whales from the boat, but we weren't able to actually get in the water with them, which just goes to show you some days you're lucky, some days you're not. But don't worry, it's not a total waste because we're in the tour by going to this lagoon where you can snorkel with stingrays and sharks, which is pretty cool. What do you think?
Awesome.
Was that fun?
Awesome. Best day ever.
Merp. So much fun. I could do that every day.
We live here now.
And this is our new home.
We live here now.
All right, we are back. Good morning again. Day 2 trying to find whales. It was a little cloudy today. It's like downpouring when we woke up, but the sun was starting to peek out, and I'm optimistic. It was go time. We didn't come all this way to not see whales, and today we had a secret weapon. We had our whale dance.
Whale dancing, whale dancing, whale dancing, Luria le
Whale
dancing, whale dancing.
It's freaking whale time, baby. Let's go.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, the first time we got into the water, it was a bit chaotic. Nothing quite prepares you to see a several-ton whale in the water, and we were all racing to get a good view. What we quickly realized was that the calmer we were, the more the whales trusted us and the closer they would get. Over the next few days, we spent every moment we could in the water, with each interaction more magical than the last, culminating with this truly special moment of a young calf and mother passing right by us. Thank you.
I know you really want it.
Will, cheers. Good morning again, guys. The last week and a half has been jam-packed with activities. We've had barely any free time, and most of the activities have been on the water. We really haven't had a chance to explore the islands at all. So today, we're doing that. We have a free morning, and we rented some scooters. Say that one more time.
Scootering around is a really great way to see a new spot or the island.
I agree. And also, we scooted around kind of the non-touristy side of the island, and it warmed my little travel heart that a lot of it is very much undeveloped, very much local, and not touristy at all.
Yeah, majority of it, I'd say.
Yeah, I love that.
Oh, weird.
What is?
Whoa.
What is that?
Creature.
An alien.
I think it is an alien.
I don't know what it is.
It has little like phalanges on the end.
Describe a phalange.
Well, phalanges are your fingers, so it has like little fingers.
Out of nowhere, it just started downpouring. Wow, we are soaked. So we're taking a little quick break on the side of the road under a tree to let the rain pass. We stopped at a local convenience store to get some water, and because French Polynesia is part of France, they of course have just bags of bread, which is amazing. All right, I made a quick pit stop because we may have found the perfect picture palm tree. And it's right here. This palm tree. This is behind the scenes of how all those Instagram pictures get taken. Oh, it's so seductive. I can just see the likes rolling in right now.
All the spikes, yes.
I'm an idiot.
Sure are.
I locked our key inside the seat of our bike, we think, and now we're hitchhiking back to the hotel, and that's the scenario.
Justin's buying Stasia a fancy dinner. That's what Justin's doing.
Yep. Hello. Thank you so much for stopping.
Oh my gosh. That's gorgeous. Missy!
Yes, so cool. Thank you very much. Our saviors. All right, guys, I'm wearing a seashell necklace, got my trucker hat, bare feet. I've run full beach life. I'm embracing it. But unfortunately, we're leaving today. This is the end of the video. If you stuck around this long, thanks for watching. This trip has been incredible. The people, the landscape, the whale diving, like all of it has just been unbelievable. And if you're thinking to yourself, man, I really wish you had given more information about where you're staying and the islands you're going to and yada, yada, yada. I've been intentionally coy about not giving out too much information because coming here and seeing how untouched it all is, I kind of want it to remain that. I don't want to blast out too much information out there about where we're staying and all that stuff. If, however, you're really insistent and you really want to have a similar experience, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I might give you some of those details. But that's it, guys. The rest of this video is going to be a compilation of just funny moments from the trip. We were actually here a whole week scuba diving before we even came to this island, and there's just lots of fun moments that I want to have for my memory's sake. So if you want to see any of that, keep watching. But that's it. The show's over. Vlog's done. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I get some foot content. Get in between the toes. That's what the fans want.
All right, let's.
Harder, Gene.
We all just wanted to share. What are you doing? You're on your own.
I've become a prisoner in our own house. I found these dogs on the beach that belong to someone that lives down next to us, and now they won't leave me alone. I tried to take a paddleboard out into the ocean. I tried to paddle away from them, and they just kept coming after me. They were gonna drown out there.
Now you have 2 dogs.
And now I just own 2 dogs now.
Influencer.
1, 2, 3. Shut up, hoo-ha!
In the wild.
Big these buns are for the little weans.
You can put 1 wing or 2 wings.
Oh yeah, that was a huge...
I think you should double wing it.
I don't know how you keep finding me. He's back. I don't know how, but he's back this morning. Ready, Will, face up. 1, 2, 3. Nailed it. Nailed it. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of grown on me, pal. Oh, look how cute he is.
Oh, it's a recording.
It's a video. Look how cute we look, though.
We're gonna move here. This is our announcement video that we're moving to Tahiti.